Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Atome Virtual Card. Alright, let's begin. The Atome Virtual Card lets you make purchases and pay in installments at online and in-store retailers that accept Atome. Here's how to get started. First, download and register. Install the Atome app from your smartphone's app store. Then sign up or log in with your existing account. Complete your account setup by verifying your identity and linking a payment method such as a credit or debit card. After that, activate your virtual card. Go to the virtual card section in the Atome app. Follow the steps to activate your card, including confirming your linked payment method. Once your card is activated, shop online or in-store online purchases. At checkout, choose Atome as your payment option and log into your account. The virtual card will be used for your transaction. So that's basically how you can use Atome Virtual Card. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.